We've all got that one photo, right? You dig it out, excited to see it again, and it's a fuzzy mess. Maybe a picture from an old camera or a phone where someone just twitched at the wrong second. Bear with me, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to bring a picture like this back to life, literally within a couple of minutes. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can see exactly how to do it. Let's get on with it. So why do photos come out blurry in the first place? Usually it's one of a few things. Maybe you move the camera while the shutter was open, and that is called a camera shake. Or the subject moved while you were taking the photo, and that's called motion blur. Can these things be fixed? Yes, they can be fixed, and in most cases, motion blur, camera shake, or even low resolution pictures can actually be fixed. But even in the severe cases where you get very bad motion blur or even a really bad picture resolution, you would be amazed at how much you can actually claw back. And you've actually got a couple of ways to fix this, so let me start out with the free options. On your phone, there's an app called Remini, and you can literally drag in your photo, tap enhance, and it will tidy up your photo within a couple of seconds. And this works for both Android and even iPhone, and this is perfect if you're on the move. And if you want to do it by hand, you have the option to import your picture into an editor like CapCut or even DaVinci Resolve. And this is where the fun begins. You need to start playing around with the settings, for example, the sharpness, the brightness, the contrast, shadows. You might want to drag it up or lower it down and then export it when it looks right. Now, keep in mind that both of these work, but fiddling around on your own can only bring you that far, especially if you don't know what you're doing. So the next tool I'm going to show you is a PC tool where you can sit back, relax, and let AI and software do the heavy lifting, and this will definitely get you the best result. Now, the little gem I rely on is called 4DDIG Photo Enhancer. And the great thing about the 4DDIG Photo Enhancer is actually how little you have to do. The software will do all of the heavy work for you, and you can even upload more than one photo at a single time, so you can do it in bulk and you don't have to do it photo by photo. It can actually enhance your resolution, take it from HD even all the way up to 4K, bringing back actual image quality instead of just applying a filter. And it can even bring back the color from your black and white photos. So that is really amazing, and we are going to dive deeper into where you can download it and how to actually use it, so stay tuned. Now, before we get to downloading this onto your computer, there's a model for your everyday photos, one that's brilliant at clearing up grain, and one for faces and portraits. And like I mentioned, one model can even bring back the color from your black and white pictures. Right, let's get it onto our machines. Pop over to their website, and don't worry about typing anything. I've put the link down in the description of this video so you can just go and check them out. When the page loads, there's a big free download button staring right at you. Now, this bit matters a bit. There's a separation version for Windows and Mac, so make sure that you grab the right one for your computer. Click the download that matches your device, run through the installer, and the usual next, finished. And a minute later, it's sat on your desktop ready to go. Launch it, glance over to the left, and you'll spot the AI Enhancer tab. That is our destination. From this point on, it really is as easy as 3 steps. First up, open that AI Enhancer tab, pick Photo Enhancer, and pop in the photo you'd like to rescue. Next, pick the AI model that suits your photo. And this is where it's clever. There's a general model that handles most everyday shots, a denoise model for grainy, low light pictures, a face model that's brilliant for portraits and close-ups, and a colorized model that brings old black and white pictures back to life. Choose whichever fits, dial in the resolution you're after, and press enhance. Then it's just a quick wait while it works its magic. And this bit never gets old. Once it finishes, it lays the before and after side by side, so you see exactly what it's done before you commit to saving. Happy with it? Click save, and out comes your photo, lovely, sharp, and sorted. Before we call it a day, I genuinely like to show you a couple of more features that the 4DDIG Photo Enhancer actually has to offer, And the first is the AI photo expander. So what it basically does is, if you've ever had a photo that was cropped too tight or that you needed a bit wider, you can now actually use the AI expander feature, where it will actually go and expand your image around the edges and fill in what should have been there. And you can do this by just uploading your picture and sitting back. The second is the AI image style transfer. Now what this does is it completely transforms your image by giving it a completely different theme and style without applying a filter. It can recolorize black and white photos, and it will just give your picture a completely different feel. Now, it can also repair corrupted photos, so it does way more than just unblurring pictures. We're going to be checking out the Windows prices first, and then we'll be heading over to MacBook. So you want to click the Buy Now button right here, and as you can see, it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, instant delivery by email, and you even have free customer support. So right here you can see we have a 1-month license, a 1-year license, and a lifetime license here on Windows, where you can get a 3 PC and 5 PC pack, and the lifetime license is marked as best value. Claim this gift right now, where you can save a lot of money. So if you ever wanted to pick up the 4 DDIG photo enhancer, now would be the time for that. Go ahead and claim your gift. And last but not least, you can see they have the FIFA World Cup special, so you can even get an additional 20% off. Now let's head over to the MacBook prices. You have a free trial, so you can go and check it out before you actually pay for anything. They have a 1-month license, a 1-year license, and then they have the lifetime license as well. And the 1-month license is marked as best value for MacBook. Okay, and the special gift you previously saw with the Windows prices applies for MacBook too, so make sure you grab that when you pick it up for your MacBook. Okay guys, so it's as easy as that. You download the 4 DDIG photo enhancer, you upload your photo, you choose your model, and you actually enhance your photo. Thank you so much for watching today's video. That will be all. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you have any questions about today's video, please let us know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit this subscribe button, turn on the bell so you don't miss a single video we upload. And we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.